Hi guys, I am Peter Tran representing the DevSamurai team. Welcome to Agile Test Academy. Agile Test Academy is a video series that will teach you everything you need to learn about software development, specifically Agile development. Continuing the previous video about the core values and differences between traditional and Agile testing, today we move on to discuss which Jira tool is the best test management tool to use for the quality assurance teams and every other real-life testing project. We will be talking about the recap of traditional testing and Agile testing, then QA testing and which methodologies should they use in a project. Then finally, we will discuss the Agile Test application itself. Well, I am so excited about today, aren't you? Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's recap everything we discussed in the last video, Day 3, Traditional versus Agile Testing, which is better in 2023. You can check the link here. Both traditional and agile testing methodologies are integral components of the extensive software testing domain, yet they encompass distinct approaches and practices, each characterized by its unique set of principles and methods. Traditional testing allows a linear and sequential process, typically occurring after the entire software system has been developed. It heavily relies on documentations, such as detailed test plans and test cases, crafted before testing begins. This approach is structured and formal, often adhering to methodologies like the waterfall model with distinct phases, including requirement gathering, design, development, and testing, completed sequentially. Meanwhile, as for Agile testing, I will provide a brief summary as I have already discussed it in detail in our previous video, Day 2 of the Agile Test Academy series. Check the link above. Agile testing harmonizes with the principles of agile development. It places emphasis on collaboration, conducting testing early and consistently, and being adaptable to evolving requirements. Testers closely collaborate with team members, incorporate testing throughout the development process, and utilize test automations to enhance efficiency. As we have explored both traditional testing and agile testing approaches, it is essential to recognize that they play critical roles in ensuring software quality. Now, let's shift our focus to how the quality assurance team uses that knowledge to apply in their projects. The quality assurance, shortened as QA, process is a systematic approach to ensuring that software meets its requirements. The QA process begins with the analysis of the requirements, followed by the writing of checklists or test cases. The checklists or test cases are then run to verify that the software meets the requirements. If the test fails, the developer needs to fix the bug, and then the QA tester needs to run the regression test to verify that the bug has been fixed. The results of the testing are then reported to the development team. In a real-life project, the quality assurance teams might start with the provided requirements first. The QA testers will test the requirements, read them, and then write the test cases. And in some cases, in some companies, the products are the prerequisite elements, which means the product is required first, then the tester will make the test cases based on the products. Again, talking about testing methodologies, when we mention traditional testing and agile testing in a software development project, we know that traditional testing methodologies are suitable when the requirements are precise and the testing flow is unidirectional, from testing to maintenance. It is performed incrementally and the result is only released after all the defects in the software are resolved or rectified. Note that the client's involvement is required only in the initial phase of testing. On the other hand, modern or agile testing practices are preferred when there is a need for continuous testing or faster product delivery. Agile testing involves all members of a cross-functional Agile team with special expertise contributed by testers to ensure delivering the business value at a sustainable pace. Well, to sum up, traditional testing is suitable for projects with precise requirements and a unidirectional flow of testing to maintenance, and Agile testing is preferred when there is a need for continuous tests and faster product delivery. With that being said, the QA testers must carefully assess the software project and adeptly apply both traditional testing and Agile testing methodologies in a simultaneous manner to achieve the best possible outcome. Truly, it is not because AgileTest App partners with the DevSamurai team to create this series that we have to flatter or polish its already outstanding features. In case you're not familiar, Jira is a product created by Atlassian, an Australian software company known for developing software solutions. Jira stands out as one of the world's leading project management tools, catering to teams of various sizes, from startups to large corporations. Agile Test application seamlessly integrates with Jira, offering a comprehensive test management solution that accommodates various testing strategies. As you can see, there are hundreds and hundreds of test management tools on Jira, but only a few stand out in the software projects generally and in the quality assurance community specifically. Some of the most common issues with test management tools include integrating third-party apps with Jira, lack of support for specific testing methodologies, and difficulties in managing large volumes of test cases. Meanwhile, after months of thoroughly researching the markets, we finally developed AgileTest, comprehensive test management for Jira. AgileTest App beats all the odds of major obstacles of a common test management tool. It is indeed integrable with Jira. Furthermore, it does not lack support for specific testing methodologies. It supports all testing methods from traditional testing to Agile testing. Finally, it's worth noting that AgileTest effortlessly handles large volumes of test cases, making it equally suitable for a two-person team or a robust testing team of 50. AgileTest's distinctiveness lies in its comprehensive test management capabilities, accommodating all test strategies. QA testers and project testers will experience seamless workflow, eliminating the need to switch between multiple applications for different testing methodologies. Whether it's creating checklists with test script features or overseeing project sprints, AgileTest empowers testers to efficiently manage test cases, design test plans, and oversee all relevant information through its robust reports feature. Stay tuned because we have just yet to introduce AgileTest to all Agile enthusiasts. We will learn more about each feature and how to implement AgileTest in the future. Well, that is the end of day 4 in the video series of Agile Test Academy created by the DevSamurai team. This series is partnered with AgileTest, comprehensive test management for Jira. Thank you for listening. We look forward to bringing you more interesting videos. Please give us a like and comment down below any queries. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified about any upcoming videos. Ciao!